Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for June 26th going into the 29th. I'm going to start off with the S&P 500 index. Okay, we've been bullish overall from 3502. We've rallied 4,130.25 into the bull trend. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then we had a large pullback. And we held exhaustion below at 63.53 and a quarter and rallied 1,279. A lot of other intermediate calls in here. More recently, I said that on June 23rd, we left a medium bearish reversal above. And then the trade below 75.3250. We're under pressure, and we've seen pressure down to 73.5725. I had also said to, let me just see here, never mind. In any case, decent trade above 74.3247. Bear with me a moment, I'm sorry. Minus 160 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. That'll warrant decent strength, and a decent penetration above there is going to be $45.75 up until the 9 o'clock open, and decent trade below 73.81 plus 18 per hour. That's going to warrant decent pressure for at least 85 points. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering. And if we break above this line decently and back down through that decently, look for decent pressure to come in. And the gold, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff today. We held exhaustion with a 49.1770 high, rolled over 942. There were other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. I noted we were likely in the last stretch of the move down from 56.2680 with areas of possible macro exhaustion at 39.7410 to 38.65, which we held with a 39.7570 low and have rallied up to whatever this high is here, 41.1150. Now, if this could be the beginning of a whole new bullish correction against the move down from the highs. If so, the minimum target for that projection is 49.8430. If we roll over and we take out this macro exhaustion level, we may head down to the other levels mentioned in the analysis in here. A maintained gap higher on Monday would leave a minor bullish reversal below intact as well. This was close to being leaving a minor bullish reversal below, but too much overlap. We really want to see this take out 41.2280 to give added confirmation to the upside. Oh, and one other thing here. Just on another lower time frame aspect, we were in this structure from here down. I'd mentioned some exhaustion levels below here, but we may now be in a bullish correction against this structure down as well. If so, we have entered into the ideal time frame for one of those to hold, if they're going to hold. So this is either a bullish correction against that structure or a bull trend against that structure. But if a bullish correction before a minor bearish move, that the first level of exhaustion is at 41.34 to 41.6260. The next level of exhaustion would be at 41.8960. And then the one above that is going to be at 42.18 to 42.4010. This would be kind of an ideal area also, because there's also natural resistance up near the top of it as well. And you have a final exhaustion level at 43.12. If we take that out, we're likely headed up to 44.03. and decent trade below 40.27 plus 10 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. That'll warrant decent pressure. A decent penetration in there is going to be 27.8 up until the Monday open. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.